What is functions? A function is like a block, which allows you to store code that does a particular task. In JavaScript, we write a function with the function keyword, followed by a name, and then we open and close parentheses. The code of the function is placed inside curly brackets. To understand it better, let's call our zombie. Suppose we want to tell our zombie to change color, wear a hat and turn around. We will write change color to blue. Wear a hat. Turn around. Suppose we want to tell our zombie to do it again. We must write all the three commands. Let's put our code inside the function. And give to the function the name myZombie. Now we don't need to write all the code again. We call our function's name, myZombie, followed by parentheses. We can run our function as many times as we want, just by calling the function's name.